These are the funniest animal videos ever.
Hold it.
Mr. Krabs!
No way. Put him right here.
He looks so cute! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Why are you still here? Go away.
Wilson just coughed and farted.
I need an egg. Thank you.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Para allá. Gracias.
Qué bueno, tío. Ole.
He's eating my car. Maybe there's something dead on it.
No, Papa. Good, yeah.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Молодец, Света. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась. Дурак!
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now. Be cute.
Jay, baby.
This poor little hedgehog deflated. These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh my god.
This person tried picking up a frog.
1, 2, 3.
You didn't know?
Kom Saskia.
Hey, you almost done?
Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek.
Milky.
No, no. Pass me the milk.
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it. A zoo installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard.
Chica. Milky.
What up, everybody?
Well,
Oh, I see how it is. Rude.
So this is really interesting. I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah? Yeah.
bye, Gail. Yay him.
Oh my god. Nah, that's this, bro.
Look at Amo
Bro.
game.
That's sick. Can I put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Nah!
Come on, guys.
Kiki. I get.
Hi.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
Diggy Wiggy now.
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses here. And this one might have got a little close.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
Whoa.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
You like Gakiga.
Oh no!
Hey, wait. Hey, egg. Wacky. Go. Happy. Oh.
MashaAllah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Look.
you like Picky.
Poor guy got so upset.
Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
I'm not sure if this cat is really brave or really dumb.
I'm dumb.
This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
Girl. Get like.
He will. Look, he just has to.
I get like.
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh God.
Where are you going?
This cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the man's
And
carpet?
that guy.
Then grab the man's by the towel.
He bring him.
I'm trying to.
Get you that. Yay.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
Okay. Got me got boopy.
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
By bread. That by bread. Why? Get bread.
This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Get.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Damn, did I say something?
Whoa, got yakey. Got. You are picky.
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses! What's your prescription, bro?
So what do you think he's thinking about? I think we found out who the main character is.
Mel.
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
May I help me? Bilbo.